Welcome to today's drive through Pineville, Kentucky, a charming small town nestled along the Cumberland River and surrounded by the Appalachian Mountains. Our journey begins west of town on US-25E South, the historic Wilderness Road, once traveled by Daniel Boone and early settlers moving westward. As we approach Pineville, we pass through the Pineville flood wall that welcomes you into this formerly flood-prone city. The flood wall was initially constructed by the United States Army Corps of Engineers in 1952, but a massive flood on the Cumberland River overtopped this flood wall in 1977, damaging or destroying over 200 homes. In response to this disaster, the Corps upgraded the wall in 1988, which included the routing of US-25E on a 4-lane bypass that, at times, occupies the top of the flood wall. From there, we turn onto Pine Street and travel around the heart of downtown at the Bell County Courthouse Square, lined with historic buildings that showcase the town's deep heritage. Along our route, we'll see landmarks like the old City Hall, the beautifully restored Bell Theater, the Pineville Community Health Center, and the town's new City Hall. We'll also pass Pineville High School and several churches that highlight the close-knit nature of this Appalachian community. Our drive continues along Virginia Avenue, Kentucky Avenue, and Tennessee Avenue before rejoining US-25E South. Our drive ends just past the intersection with US-119, where US-25E continues towards Middlesboro, the gateway to the Cumberland Gap, Tennessee, and beyond. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this scenic drive through small-town America, Pineville, Kentucky, on Dashcam Travels.
Thanks for riding shotgun with me on today's drive. If you enjoy the ride, it would really help out the channel if you would subscribe, like, share, or leave a comment. If you want to be notified of new drives when they're released, you can also click the bell to be notified of new content. But most importantly, enjoy the ride.